Hi there, and welcome. Let's just take a few moments for a quiet, gentle conversation. A chat about our bodies, about the changes we all start to notice, and how we can move through them with real confidence and care.
Have you felt that? That subtle sense that things are just a little different now? Maybe it's a small shift in how you feel, or in the way your body responds from one day to the next. It's a feeling that can honestly leave you a bit confused, and maybe even a little bit alone.
I really want you to hear this. Right from the very beginning, you are so far from being alone in this. This is a shared experience. So let's just create a little space right here, right now, to talk about it openly and with all the kindness that we deserve.
To help guide us through this, I want to introduce you to someone pretty remarkable, Dr. Farzana Khan. She's not just a top expert in women's health, she's also the heart and soul behind the Women's Health Clinic, a place that's really built on deep expertise and just genuine compassion. Dr. Farzana's dedication is a story that unfolds over 20 years. It started with her medical degree back in 2003, then she specialized in sexual and reproductive health. Her whole path has just been one of constant learning. And since 2017, she's been right at the forefront of regenerative medicine. Today, she's so respected in her field that she actually trains other doctors. This isn't just a job for her. It's truly her life's calling to support women. What's really so beautiful about Dr. Farzana's work is her whole philosophy, which is really the guiding light at her clinic. It's all about partnership. You are at the very center of every single conversation. It's about making sure you get clear explanations, setting realistic goals, and making every single decision together. Okay, so let's get to the heart of it all. Really understanding our own bodies. This is about learning to tune in and listen with so much kindness to the messages they might be sending us.
These are some of the things that so many of us go through, but we often hesitate to even say them out loud. Things like vaginal dryness, or those little leaks when you cough or laugh. That's what doctors call stress urinary incontinence. Or maybe it's a shift in intimacy, or just a feeling of laxity, even getting UTIs over and over again. Just seeing them listed out like this is a reminder that these are such normal parts of so many women's stories.
And here is the truly wonderful news. Today, there are some incredible ways to support our bodies through these changes. And this isn't about trying to fix something that's broken. Not at all. It's about working with our body's own amazing strength and its natural ability to rejuvenate.
Okay, let's break this down, because this is where things get really hopeful. There are basically two main approaches. On one hand, you've got energy-based treatments. You can think of these as a gentle little personal trainer for your cells, basically encouraging your body to build its own new collagen and restore that healthy tissue. And then on the other side, you have regenerative options, which use substances that are naturally compatible with your body to bring back hydration and quality from the inside out. This brings us to what might just be the most important mindset shift in this entire conversation, and it's a huge part of Dr. Farzana's philosophy. We are talking about wellness as an ongoing journey. Think of it like fitness, not a one-time fix. Let's talk about that word maintenance. I don't know about you, but sometimes it can sound like such a chore, can it? But what if we just completely reframed that? Maintenance is actually the beautiful reality of caring for a living, changing, evolving body. It's not a task, it's a loving, continuous commitment to your own health and happiness. I just love the analogies Dr. Farzana uses here because they make everything so clear. For muscle toning, it's like a gym membership, right? You go consistently to maintain your strength. For collagen treatments, think of it like an annual clock. Our bodies naturally lose about 1% of their collagen every year, so a session every 12 to 18 months just helps keep pace with that. And for regenerative care, the effect is cumulative, where each session just builds on the one before it. Now, this is a question that so many of us have, and it really comes from a place of vulnerability. If I need another session, does that mean the first one didn't work? Does it mean it failed? And the answer to that is a big, resounding, joyful, absolutely not. Needing maintenance isn't a sign of failure. It is the ultimate sign of success. It means you are actively, beautifully, and successfully partnering with your body on its natural journey. It means you're listening and you're responding with care. It's a win. So, with all of this in mind, what does the path forward look like? Well, it looks like you feeling empowered with knowledge, feeling informed about your options, and feeling really confident in your own wellness journey. And just remember, any treatment you choose is always supported by these simple but powerful acts of daily self-care. Using moisturizers for comfort, doing your pelvic floor exercises, staying hydrated, eating well, and avoiding smoking. These are the foundations that help your body thrive and really support any care you decide to pursue. So we'll end with a question, and it's not for me, it's for you. What does your unique personal path to wellness look like? I invite you to just take a moment and think about what feels right for you. It's your body, your journey, and your beautiful choices. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me.